Hey, guess what time it is? Is it quitting time or is it starting time? You know, the Honda Goldwing, which I bought, what, 5 months ago? I mean, I can't even believe it for myself. Bought the Honda Goldwing with great intentions. How about CB1000R? No more bird poop on it this morning. Hey, so I bought this bike and I bought a bunch of accessories to no avail. I bought this in December of last year. So this is now May. This is May. How about that F-250 over there that has a little attitude there? How about the Kirby truck? So anyways, I'm finally getting motivated to get my Goldstrike accessories on the motorcycle. So for one thing for sure, this will get put on. The cell phone holder, the drink holder will get put on. This, a little bit more of a project, huge project, another project. So stay tuned for the Iceman installing some really simple components, accessories on his Honda Goldwing. The adventure starts now. And the projects never end at the Ice Age TV compound. So first thing you do, what's pretty cool about the Goldstrike, very smart guy that made this stuff. I've done this before. And right here is the cover. This just pops off. If I can get it off. See, a little plastic cover just pops off. Then it's got an Allen. Did I guess the right size Allen? Probably not. Ooh, maybe I did. Wow, I did. How about that, huh? So pretty cool. I think I did. So take these off, back those off, and then you put your mounting assembly there. So I'll show you that in a second. So the first thing I'm going to do, I think I'm going to put the cell phone holder on the left side. Here I got my speed drill, and I got a 5mm Allen that's going to make this all work. So here is the components here. Pretty simple. Let me take it out of the package. Really thorough instructions. Quality, just quality all around. The packaging, material. Once again, Goldstrike, they've been around for years. And my first 2018 Honda Goldwing, back in January 2018, I started buying this Goldstrike stuff. And it's incredible how back then, I didn't have a YouTube channel, but I did all the accessories of this Goldstrike stuff. It's a lot of work when you get into the highway pegs, the floorboards. But here it's really simple. It shows you how it has like shims or a spacer, I guess you could say. And once again, really good quality stuff, really simple, and just follow along. All right, so if you look here, just to kind of give you an idea, put this bolt through, you're gonna put your spacer behind it, like this right here. And the first thing I do is take off the other Allens. So I'm gonna do that next. I'm not gonna take that over yet, because I gotta back out the other Allen screws over here and then put that on. One thing I really like about the Honda product here is it's got the center stand. So right now the motorcycle is straight up. For me to work on it, if I'm smart, I'll do the tire pressures too, where you can spin these tires by pushing back or forward on the bike, which that's just really nice. It makes it so much easier working the motorcycle. Center stands are really nice. All right, I brought my other components over. So now I've taken one screw out, and this brake fluid, that is all right. It kind of comes loose, but don't get too worried because you'll be all right. Look at that there. So is that taken? I don't know if I'm in there or not. Hold on. Now for me, I would definitely get the threads going before you put a speed gun on this. I would not feel confident. So what I do is I hand tighten it down just to make sure you're getting things lined up correctly and you're doing it right, because otherwise you could strip out your threads very quickly. That would be a very expensive mistake. Guarantee that little brake assembly, that brake assembly, you've had to replace that, bleeding the brakes, that would be a fiasco. So for me, I'm just going to go ahead and hand tighten it, then give the gun on a little bit. Another nice thing here is this is adjustable to go up or down. So I pulled it up so that it would be, I just think it should be up versus down. Now, negative on this, some people would probably go over here with that, is you lose your what you see back here. So I can have kind of a negative if you don't know where to go, but it has the same capability up here on these controls as well to do a lot of functions. All right, now it says a little nut in the back of it. You just take that off and you put it over this here like that. Now you have options here of how you want to kind of mount this. And you could go, some people will probably think it's like that. It's actually sideways. Now for me, I'm going to go with the loosen and tighten lever on the right instead of the left, just so it stays out of the obstruction of my controls over here. May not be as bad as you think. You just push this on real hard, just goes right over like that. This nut comes up and it then catches it, and then it spins on, and then it tightens it down. Now you just take your your lever that tightens it down, loosens it up, spin it out, and then you can take your iPhone and slide it in here. Let's get a little wider to show you how you do that. And it goes pretty wide, so it's pretty cool. Very sturdy too. All right, so there you go. There she is. Tighten her down. And once again, really rock solid on the on this tightening itself down, and just clamp it down right there. And then as far as getting your fingers back in here, it's not too bad. And then the screen definitely protects the airflow. You can plug in your USB. Got a USB thing here. You can just close that down and still have the wire to charge it. Now some people would say, you know, you can get the Apple Play into the system, and you know what? I like the idea of me having my phone up here. I can get my Waze up here. I can see the phone calls. But I do know with all the infotainment in today's technology, you can bypass this and take the time to link your Apple Play into this. But it's just a little bit more. I just kind of like this setup personally. So there's the Goldstrike cell phone holder, which I think is a really nice feature, really secure, really versatile. Highly recommend that product. So hope this video helps you make a decision on whether you want a Goldstrike product. And they're sold at many of your cycle dealers online. You can order them online, whatever it may be. And so once again, here's the product. That isn't really the product number, but anyways, so I think you'll figure it out if you go to the Goldstrike website, Google it, and it'll tell you what to buy and to spend your money. So as always, watching, and I got one more video coming up of the drink holder as well.